Hello, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today's recipe is a watermelon drink in 2 different ways. Since the summers have started and watermelon is in season, you can make this drink and enjoy it during the hot day. For the detailed ingredients list, please do check the description box below. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for the drink. So we obviously need watermelon. So I've got chopped watermelon in here. I've got some mint leaves in here. A small cucumber, lemon or lime, some sugar, some black salt and a little bit of roasted cumin. So these are the ingredients required to make the drink. So let's start with the first drink. So for the first drink, I'm going to add a few mint leaves into a blender. Now we'll add in watermelon. I've squeezed the lime juice and kept it ready. I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice. Depending on whether your watermelon is sweet or not, you can add sugar. If it's not sweet, then you can add more sugar. Or if it's sweet enough, you can totally omit the sugar. So now let's blend this and make it into a juice. Now let's make the second one. For that I've got a small piece of cucumber which I've cut. Let's add that into the blender jar along with some watermelon. Also goes in a little bit of lime juice. A few mint leaves. And now we'll add in black salt and roasted cumin powder. Got the first juice in here. Let's just sieve that so that there's no seeds stuck in it. So that's juice ready for you. I've taken a tall glass and I'm going to pour it into it. You can decorate this with some mint leaves. So that's juice 1 ready for you. Let's keep that aside. See the second juice as well. And it's ready in here. For the second watermelon drink, I'm going to dip the glass into some lime juice. I've got some salt in here, so I'm going to just run the rim of the glass with some salt. I'm using black salt here, you can use regular salt as well. I've got some salt on the rim. Now let's pour the juice. Again, you can either decorate with a lemon or you can use a wedge of watermelon. So I've added a watermelon wedge on top and the second drink is ready. So that's the watermelon drink ready for you. Now you have a sweet as well as salty option here so that everybody can enjoy it. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.